Good morning, student. Welcome to St. Peter's School. Children, open your term book, page number 132. Listen in how our body help us. Now, previous class we complete this chapter. Now, this class we have to start question and answer. So, children, open your term book, page number 132. Question number 1. Some sounds are soft and some sounds are loud. Tick the right, the soft sounds, and cross the loud sound. So the first question is what is some sounds are loud and some sounds are soft. Now what we do here, we have to here identify the pictures with the soft sound and loud sound. First picture is a bird. A bird, what is a voice of bird? So what you feel, loud or soft? Soft. The first box, what you have to here, right sign. Second picture is shown a man is knocking the door. So when you hear the sound, what we feel, loud. So what you have to hear, right, cross the sign. Third, a voice of flute. So when you hear the sound of flute, so what you have, you feel soft or hard? Soft. So in third picture, what do you have to take here? Write the sign. And fourth picture, a man is driving a car and he is pressing a horn. So what do you hear? When you hear the sound of horn, you feel very hard. So what you have to write here? Cross the sign. So children, come to the next page, 133. Question number 2. Something smell good and something smell bad. So what you have here given? Something smell are good and something smell are bad. So what you have to do here? Take the good smell and cross the bad smells. First picture. So come to the picture. First picture, fragrance of incense. When you smell, we smell with our nose. So when you fragrance of incense stick, so smell of good or bad? Good. So what you have to do here? Take the sign of right. Here is a dustbin where you throw the garbage in the dustbin. The smell of garbages is a bad smell. So cross the second picture in the box. Third, flower. When you smell the flower, what you feel? You feel good smell. So what you have to take here? Right. So what you do here in third box, take the sign. Fourth picture, uncovered food and some fly over the food. So what is here? Good or smell or bad? Bad. So what you do here? Cross the sign. So children, come to the next question. Question number 3. Every food has different taste. Mention the taste of the following things. Use the help of box. Something taste. So we taste with our tongue. Good. So first picture. Come to the first picture. First picture is a chips. When you eat the chips, what you taste? Sweet, sour, bitter, salty, salty. So what do you have to write here? First picture, salty, SALTY. Come to the next picture, lemon. When you taste the lemon, what you feel? You feel sour. So what you have to write? Sour, SOUR. Third picture, chocolate. Taste what? Taste of chocolate? Sweet. So what do you have to write here? Sweet. SWEET. So children, come to the next picture, bitter gourd. When you eat the bitter gourd, do you like the bitter gourd? No, because bitter gourd taste is a bitter. So what do you have to write here? Bitter. BITTER. So children, come to the next picture. Everything feels different to touch. Mention the feel of the following things. use the help of box. Okay, we fill with our skin. So what you have to write here? First, come to the picture. First picture. What you see in this picture? Knife. When you touch the knife, what you feel? It is a sharp. So what you have to write here? Sharp. SHARP. Next, what is here? Handkerchief. Handkerchief. So what you have to write? When you touch the handkerchief, so what you feel? It's soft na? So what you have to write? Soft. So children, write down SOFT, soft. Third picture, wood. Wood. When you touch the wood, what you feel? It is a hard. So what you have to write here? Hard. HARD. Next, a cup of tea. When you take a cup of tea, so what you feel? It is a hot. So what you have to write down here? HOT, hot. Taste of ice cream. So not you have to taste here. What you hear? Touch and feel it. So when you touch the ice cream box, what you feel? It's cold. So what you have to write here? Cold. COLD, cold. So children, come to the next question. Write T if the statement is true and write F if it is a false. I push with my hands. So what you have to write here? 2. T for true. Good. Come next question. I write with my eyes. You write with your eyes? No, I write with my hands. So here is a statement is a wrong. So what you have to write here? False, because I write with my hands, and here is a picture given of eyes. So question number 2 is a false. The question number 3, I jump with my legs. Yes, I jump with my legs. So what you have to write here? T for true. Next, I greet others with my ears. No. So what you have to write down here? F. F for false. This statement is a false. Children, come to the next page. Page number 134. Question number 6. Match the sentences with the help of part of the body that help you to know the following. You already know, I can see the bright yellow school bag. So you see with our eyes. So you match it with the eyes. I see with my eyes. So when you match eyes. Next question. Ah, I can smell the cake. Do you smell the cake with our nose? So match the nose. Next question. This is ice cream. Is a very sweet taste. Where we get from taste? We taste with our tongue. To match the picture with the tongue. They make so much noise. Children are shouting and noise. So what do you have to match it? I hear with my ears. To match it with my ears. Question number 5. The sun is a hot. The ice is a cold. I feel with my hands a skin. So what you have matched it? The skin. The sun is a hot. The ice cream is a cold. Now question number 7. Filling the blanks with the right words. Some option is given here already. Hands, here, tongue, legs and breath. Okay, come to question number 1. So let's start. I stand on my dash. You already know, children. I stand with my legs. So what you have to write here? Legs. LEGS, legs. Question number 2. I use my dash to hold things. I use my hands to hold things. So what you have to write here? Hands. HANDS, hands. Question number 3. My ears help me to dash the sound. My ear helps me to hear the sound. So what you have to write here? Hear. HEAR, hear. Question number 4. My nose helps me to dash the air. My nose, we breathe with our nose. So what you have write here? Breath. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Question number 5. My dash helped me to know the taste of what I eat. So we taste with our tongue. So what you have to write here? Tongue. Tongue. Now here is your lesson is complete. So children, what you do at home? Whatever I take this in this video, you write in your notebook, EVS notebook. Thank you.